In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text in a circle in Microsoft Word. Curved or circular text is a great way to add a creative touch to your documents, whether you're designing a logo, making a certificate, creating a flyer, or simply experimenting with different text effects. The process is simple once you know where to find the right tools. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and click anywhere on the page where you want the circular text to appear. Next, go to the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Text group, click on Word Art. You'll see a selection of text styles. Choose any style you like since you can customize it later. Once selected, a text box will appear on your document. Type the text you want to curve into a circle. After entering your text, make sure the Word Art text is selected. You should see a new tab appear at the top called Shape Format or Drawing Format, depending on your version of Word. Click on that tab. In the Word Art Styles group, look for the Text Effects option. Click on Text Effects, then hover over Transform. A gallery of transformation styles will appear. Under the Follow Path section, select the Circle option. As soon as you click it, your text will automatically curve into a circular shape. You can adjust the size of the circle by clicking and dragging the corner handles of the text box. Making the text box larger will expand the circle, while making it smaller will tighten the curve. If the circle doesn't look perfectly round, hold the Shift key while resizing to maintain balanced proportions. You can also adjust the font size, spacing, and style to make the circular text clearer and more visually appealing. For example, increasing the font size can make the circular shape more defined, especially if you're using short text. Additionally, you can change the text color, add outlines, or apply other text effects from the same Shape Format tab to enhance the overall look. These small adjustments can help your circular text stand out and match the design of your document. Creating text in a circle in Microsoft Word is a quick and effective way to add a professional and creative element to your project without using external design software. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.